This tutorial is about related products. If on my website, when I'm at the black large t-shirt, I want to show what products that are related to it to upsell, whether they're items that are substitute items or accessories or just things that you think people might want to buy if they're looking at this particular one. First thing you're going to do is you're going to go over to eCatalog. When you're in edit mode, you need to find the item that you want, the parent item. You're going to build parent-child relationships between these items. So here I have my MST001 black. So I'm going to go up to View, Related Items. Okay, so with my MST, whoops, that's not what I wanted. MST001, and I'm going to look that up. Oh, should have looked it up here. Oh, this one's already, excuse me, this one's already set up as a related item. So if you look over here, there's my MST001 black. So over here, if I pull it over here, it's saying these are the related items, the items that are related to it. So I'll add another one. I'm going to add the MST011, and I'll add that blue large, and I'm going to say select. So now I've got 3 items that are related to this parent item. The type is an area where you can put a grouping. So if I wanted to say these were accessories, you have to make sure that you spell it right and always spell it consistent. And maybe these are substitutes. The quantity should always be 1. And then you save that. Now what you have to do is you have to come back to the website and you have to put the related products web part on the page. So the related products web part can go on 2 different pages. It can go on the item detail, and it's actually a browse search type of web part. And when you configure that web part, edit the settings, you indicate that it's a web part of type related items. So and you should say whether or not you want image or text view and how many you want per row. The sort and group says whether or not you want to sort those items and group them by that accessory substitute field. And again, you put what columns you want to show. And those will start showing on your website. So here's that blue one. This is the only one that's a published item on my site, so that's the only one that showed up of the 3. If the other 3 were both included on my B2C website, then they would show up as well. So let's go back and let's include those. So if I look at this one, I've got the 002 large gray and 007 large gray. So I'm going to close this. I'm going to find the 2. There's the 2. Okay, I got to indicate, now it's, okay, it was the large gray. Let me do this up here. Okay, there's the large gray. I've got to indicate that that's on my website. And I believe it was the 11. I can't remember which one it was. I believe it was the, let's go look again. So view related items. For my black shirt, 007 large gray and 11 large blue. So there's my 11 large blue, and it's already, and the 7, let's find the 7, 007. 007 large gray. Okay, now I'm going to publish my site. Setup, site, or file, publish. And I'm going to publish that out. Now I have 61 items. If I refresh my page, now those other two should be published items. And so I see all three of them now. So this is one page where you can add your related products. Probably would hide with CSS. We would hide this paging, so that doesn't show up like that. If I add it to the cart, there's another second page that shows up that says this item's been added to the cart. This is probably another place where I would want to put my related products. So I put a browse search web part, and I'm going to put it underneath here, drag it down. I'm going to go to the settings, and it's of a related products, related items. It's going to carry the same exact settings. You can't make the settings different on the item detail page than you do here. So save settings, and then go back. So now we see the related products, and you see how it's grouped by accessories and then substitutes. So it does some grouping on that. That concludes this.